Once upon a time, fairy tales were awesome. Real fairy tales are scary. Oh, wait a minute. Are you even old enough for this? You've been warned.
해설자가 진짜 동화는 무시무시하다며 경고하는 가운데
Hansel?
Come out, wherever you are.
그림 왕국의 왕과 왕비에게 목이 잘렸다가 마법으로 기적처럼 살아난 헨젤과 그레텔의 잔혹한 진짜 이야기가 시작됩니다.
I'll protect you.
Which is why it was fairly surprising.
How else is he gonna learn what's inside a person's neck? It's mostly blood.
It will. It has to. And done.
What have we done?
Children, you're awake.
그날 밤 부모님과 마지막 인사를 나눈 남매는 잠에서 깨어난 뒤 목이 잘린 채 다시 이어붙여진 모습을 보고 큰 충격에 빠지고
We must have done something bad. Parents shouldn't slay their children. Not even once.
Hansel, we have to get out of here.
But will it be an adventure? I'll protect you.
서로를 끝까지 지켜주기로 약속한 뒤 성벽에 천을 묶어 창문 아래로 뛰어내리며 탈출을 감행합니다.
Scared and confused, Hansel and Gretel made their way through the quiet village.
Gretel, what are we gonna do?
Okay, you know that woman who delivers bread to the castle?
그레텔은 평소 자신들에게 초콜릿 케이크를 주던 제빵사 아줌마를 완벽한 새 부모로 삼겠다는 계획을 세우고
Maybe we should go back home.
Hansel! We are going to find the perfect parents, whatever it takes.
두려워하는 헨젤을 다독이며 지도에 표시된 깊고 어두운 숲으로 발을 들입니다.
Did you hear that?
Shoo! Get out of here! Okay, we have to find somewhere we can rest for the night. Look, it's glowing. It's some kind of magic thread.
숲속을 헤매던 중 기괴한 바람 소리와 박쥐의 습격에 지친 남매는 자신들의 목에서 정체불명의 빛이 새어나오는 것을 발견하고
Okay, I can do this.
헨젤은 밤새 불침번을 서며 누나를 지키기로 결심하죠.
Gretel?
In my sleep.
Too late. Take this. Stay away. I'm warning you.
숲속에서 늑대의 무리의 습격을 받은 헨젤과 그레텔은
I can't do it. I can't do it.
Help me!
목숨을 건 추격전 끝에 강을 건너다 위기에 처하지만
Wow!
You two all right?
Sir, we're looking for a Mrs. Baker.
Are you two kids alone?
Hansel, a turnip farmer.
때마침 나타난 순무농부 아저씨의 도움으로 극적으로 구조됩니다.
Thanks! Bye!
See ya.
Hansel and Gretel continued on.
남매는 순무농부의 동행 제안을 거절하고 당초 목표였던 제빵사 아줌마의 집을 향해 가는데 그들의 뒤를 정체불명의 인물이 몰래 미행하기 시작하죠.
Hansel, are you seeing what I'm seeing?
숲을 빠져나와 굶주림에 지친 남매는
I just love children. It's peppermint candy cane.
사탕과 케이크로 화려하게 꾸며진 제빵사 아줌마의 집에 도착하고
I know we're doing a is she nice or is she evil thing.
아줌마는 아이들을 사랑한다며 환대하며 온갖 달콤한 음식을 아낌없이 대접하죠.
But she took it just a little bit farther.
I can just eat you right up. Yes, I could.
And once you've developed a taste for children,
하지만 친절한 겉모습과 달리 아줌마는 과거 자신의 아기까지 파이로 만들어 먹은 뒤 인육의 맛에 중독된 시기 마녀였고
What brings you to my little cottage, my sweetheart? Well, I have some cake for you now.
Ma'am, may we eat like animals?
You do you, baby.
She must really love us, right?
We have Mrs. Baker now. Everything is fine.
Oh, look at my sweepy little muffins. Not until you're
Rape.
She's so pretty.
옷장에서 아이들의 다리를 발견한 헨젤과 그레텔은 불길한 진실을 외면한 채
It's fine. If you say so.
그녀가 내주는 음식을 계속 받아먹습니다.
That was when Mrs. Baker decided they were ripe.
I need your help in the kitchen, honey pie. There's a little woofy woo.
식인 마녀의 오븐에 갇혀 구워질 위기에 처한 헨젤은
If I'm dead, how'll I tell you it's hot enough? Wow, something smells delicious. Wait a second. Dying is bad!
How are you doing in there, my little dumpling? There it is.
기지를 발휘해 마녀를 역으로 오븐에 가두십니다.
You ungrateful little swine!
Trying to cook me! We have to go!
Wait, what's going on?
Oven doors don't lock.
탈출한 마녀를 피해 침대 아래로 몸을 숨기죠.
Hansel, they never loved you. Never, never, never.
This. Oh, she is not okay.
Forget it.
All right, can we just check in on the children who are watching this right now? A woman just got impaled on a peppermint stick.
Mom and Dad never loved us.
We need someone more down to earth.
We're never going back. It's you and me forever.
부모의 사랑을 의심하며 다시 도망친 남매는 더 현실적인 가족을 찾기 위해 순무농부의 집으로 향하고
They are mine.
There, you should carry on.
Hello? Hello?
But you are done.
갑작스레 나타난 악마는 마녀의 남은 육신을 냉혹하게 처리합니다.
I'm sure he'll be completely normal.
Hello, children.
This is fine.
Once upon a time, a young girl and a young boy were looking for the perfect family.
Come, let's go inside.
And that's our whole crazy story.
Mrs. Bauer and I have always wanted a daughter. So the two of you are welcome in our home.
This is going to be the perfect home.
헨젤과 그레텔은 순무농부 바워 부부의 양자로 입양되어 완벽한 가족이 되기 위해 노력하고
Kid, by making our new turnip mom and turnip dad happy.
Well, Gretel did. Hansel was just...
Diced turnips, poached turnips in a turnip bechamel.
Thank you.
Oh, it smells like feet.
Good job, Gretel. There you go.
헨젤 역시 의구심을 거두고 순무요리와 집안일에 적응해가죠.
Despite his bad feelings, as the weeks went by, Hansel started to become part of the family.
Thank you.
But of course, it couldn't last.
하지만 집안 금단의 방에서 침대 7개를 발견한 남매는
We don't go in that room.
I think my room has 7 beds.
Gretel refused to admit that anything was wrong.
몰래 지하 창고에 들어갔다가
What's this?
부부에게 과거 7 아들이 있었음을 알게 됩니다.
Do you think they chopped their heads off? Or ate them?
If Gretel hadn't shown up here, we would still have our 7 boys.
It's true.
Gretel!
I can fix this. I can fix this.
바워 부부가 그레텔처럼 딸을 간절히 원한 나머지 7 아들이 제비로 변해버렸다는 충격적인 사실을 듣게 된 그레텔은 깊은 죄책감에 빠집니다.
Okay, when are you gonna tell us who this weirdo is?
Not just yet.
Right.
We're busy.
한편 정체불명의 노파는 제비가 된 7형제를 찾으러 떠난 헨젤과 그레텔을 뒤쫓고
Someone must have seen them.
Like the sun?
So they could talk to the sun.
남매는 형제들의 행방을 찾기 위해
children! Marion lost
Please
it.
stop talking.
Killing us! Oh, wait, please! No, please!
I don't know. Try the moon?
Yeah.
Hey guys, nice night, isn't it?
해와 달을 찾아가지만 아무런 도움도 얻지 못한 채
I'm so sorry. Bowers were happier before us. Maybe I'm cursed or something. It's me! I'm the problem! Gretel! I ruined everything.
What tears have awakened us? We can help you. We see everything.
별들로부터 형제들이 그레텔을 피해 유리산 비밀 요새에 숨어 있다는 뜻밖의 이야기를 듣게 됩니다.
One must solve this riddle. You will need this rare and magical key to open the door.
Why would the swallows want someone to help them hide away from me?
별들에게서 요새 문을 열 수수께끼와 닭뼈 열쇠를 전달받은 남매는
Let's do this! That was okay, but the rabbit looked at me funny.
They ventured through blazing deserts. They ventured through muck-filled swamps.
사막과 늪지대를 거치는 길고 위험천만한 모험을 떠나죠.
Gretel, are you feeling okay?
Feelings are stupid. All they do is cause pain.
고된 여정 속에서 헨젤은 더욱 용맹하게 성장하는 반면 그레텔은 깊은 죄책감 탓에 모든 감정을 닫아버린 채
And Gretel's guilt turned her cold.
Let's keep moving.
오직 부모를 기쁘게 하겠다는 집착에 사로잡힙니다.
Let's go get us some swallows and make our turnip hair tack.
Exactly.
수개월의 고난을 이겨내고 한층 강해진 모습으로 마침내 유리산 입구에 도착한 남매는 7 제비를 찾아 가족을 완성할 결의를 다지죠.
You might want to blindfold your kids.
Or peck out their eyes. Just
There's no door.
How did that riddle go again?
Though I am dark, I die by night. I come again with morning light.
4 giraffes.
A shadow.
요새 문을 여는 수수께끼를 풀었지만
The chicken bone. The chicken bone.
Oh, it's not here.
열쇠인 닭뼈를 분실하자
Open.
Gretel, stop it!
Whatever it takes.
Someone's got to protect these children.
Mama wants some gold.
자책감에 휩싸인 그레텔은 자신의 손가락을 잘라 열쇠 구멍에 넣고 문을 엽니다.
This is crazy. I still don't get why her finger would open the door.
They'd like you to come back home. I'm the girl who showed up and caused all of this.
Hello, my bird brothers. I have something for you. We found your father crying over this toy.
No, you didn't do anything.
마침내 만난 7 형제는 부모가 제비로 만든 건 그레텔 때문이 아니라
Oh boy.
I wish you'd all just turn into swallows and fly away.
우물물을 뜨라던 아버지의 말을 거역해 순식간에 제비로 바뀐 거라고 설명하죠.
It wasn't my fault. Everything I put Hansel through?
I kinda had fun though.
All this just because Mr. Bauer lost his temper?
남매는 모든 원인이 부모의 불완전함에 있음을 깨닫고
Well, we're just gonna take off then. Nice meeting you. Good luck with your suffering.
But we all missed our mom and dad.
Thank you. Who's gonna take care of us?
No one. There's no one to love us. I've had it wrong this whole time. We don't need parents. Come on, let's find some place to make a new home.
형제들과 작별한 뒤 더 이상 부모에게 의존하지 않고 서로만을 의지하며 살아가기로 결심합니다.
I am psyched for this next chapter. Are we gonna see Guts? Cause I feel like we're gonna see Guts!
Once upon a...
Was walking with 9 fingers. Oh! But then she found a bowl of brand new fingers.
What are you doing?
Oh no! They forgot the bowl of fingers!
Once upon a time, a brother and sister walked alone.
까마귀들의 실랑이 끝에 진짜 이야기가 재개되고
This could be it. The perfect place for a perfect home.
헨젤과 그레텔은 완벽한 보금자리를 짓기 위해 생명의 숲에 다다르죠.
Oh my stars!
Slow
child. I haven't spoken in simply ages.
Hello?
Hello? Children! Well, you've reached the Wood of Life place.
May we stay here, weird talking tree?
You may stay as long as you please, my child.
Oh, thank you, trees.
The Wood of Life has but one rule.
남매는 필요한 것만 취하고 숲의 조화를 깨뜨리지 말라는 엄마 나무의 경고를 듣고
It's beautiful. This is it. The perfect place. We're going to be so happy here.
Gretel, I'm gonna take care of you here and make sure everything is perfect.
Are we done? Can I go eat that bowl of fingers now?
자신들만의 완벽한 집을 짓기 시작합니다.
Morning, sleepyhead. Oh, I started building our home without you. Hope you don't mind. I'm working on a main hall right now. Do you think we need a scrapbooking room?
부모 없이 둘만의 평화로운 일상을 이어가며 집을 완성해 가던 중
A little higher. Got it. My hero. This is really starting to feel like home.
Yeah, as long as you like berries.
헨젤은 숲속 깊은 곳에서 자신을 부르는 기괴한 환청에 이끌리게 되죠.
Where is he? Ideas to make this shack more of a real castle? What a great idea you had to stay here and be our own parents.
헨젤이 알 수 없는 어둠에 사로잡히는 동안 그레텔은 집을 성처럼 바꿀 탑을 구상하며 홀로 일거리를 해내고
What do you want, weird bird?
No, you're funny. Hey, I was thinking a tower might make this place feel more like a real home. What is that?
It's a meat.
You remember what that talking tree said, right?
엇갈린 가치관은 두 사람의 갈등을 더욱 키워갑니다.
But just this once, okay?
I promise.
Just a few more ferns and we should be done.
Hey there, little guy.
헨젤은 숲속 어두운 기운에 사로잡혀 무자비한 사냥과 살육을 즐기며 점차 야수처럼 변해가고
Are you going to finish that?
그레텔은 솔방울 인형 극에 빠져들며 완벽한 가정에 대한 기괴한 집착을 키워가죠.
I said I was gonna provide for you. Well,
Okay, this is fine.
As time passed, Hansel continued to hunt. Meanwhile, Gretel's desire to build the perfect home and family turned into an obsession.
Oh, now what is this? Tell him the heart wants what the heart wants.
생명의 숲 균형이 무너지자 그레텔은 엄마 나무에게 찾아가 도움을 청하지만
There is but one way to fix this. The deep, dark woods will take what's left of Hansel.
He's my brother. What's wrong with you?
You know I'm made of wood, right?
엄마 나무는 남매가 성을 쌓고 규칙을 어겼다며 헨젤을 쫓아내지 않으면 둘 다 위험해질 것이라 경고합니다.
But the thing he is becoming might.
Hansel, wake up!
5 more minutes.
This is not fine. I want my brother back.
Must hunt, Gretel.
Just stay home. Hansel, please.
한편 헨젤과 그레텔을 찾아 뒤쫓아온 정체불명의 추적자가 숲 입구에 다다르자
Every creature coexists here in perfect harmony and peace. Just for that, I'm not letting you in.
엄마 나무가 거대한 힘을 발휘해 그의 진입을 막아서며 남매의 위치를 숨깁니다.
Okay, fine. But you don't have to be a jerk about it.
Nobody wants to see intestines.
I do. Give me the guts, baby.
야수로 변한 헨젤이 누나까지 쫓으려 하자
What have you done?
Must hunt, Gretel.
Monster, and I won't have monsters in my home. I don't
need you.
그레텔은 헨젤을 괴물이라 부르며 떠나라고 소리치지만
Let the great hunt
Come then, my lord. The wood of life smells like death.
What the devil was that?
Keep your eyes peeled.
Just do it already. Do it.
He was my hero.
Hansel, no!
뒤이어 나타난 사냥꾼 영주가 활을 쏘자 헨젤은 결국 그 자리에서 숨을 거두죠.
Excellent shot, my lord.
This is the sad part. This is the sad part. This is the sad part.
It will.
Just not yet.
But it's too late. Too late.
A very sad and lonely girl had to figure out how to go on without her brother.
동생의 슬픈 죽음과 뒤늦은 후회 속에
But go on, she did.
You were right. I'm sorry. What should I do now?
생명의 숲에서도 쫓겨난 그레텔은 외로움과 상처를 아는 채 다시 깊고 어두운 숲을 향해 홀로 발걸음을 옮깁니다.
And she was not alone. Now, for the first time in her life, she didn't have a plan or hope.
I've been searching for you for so long, Gretel.
Whoa! Oh. Let's go. Oh, hey there. I'm Widow Fisher.
남동생을 잃고 홀로 숲을 헤매던 그레텔은 자신을 부모가 아닌 단지 보호자라 칭하는 생선 장수 피쇼를 따라가 새로운 보금자리를 잡죠.
That was me father's name.
Yes, Gretel was devastated.
No, thank you. No need to check. Yes, yeah, thank you. Yes, it is I.
Your tea, Lord Meister.
Time to prepare the beast skin rug.
No! Don't show the gun!
한편 죽은 줄 알았던 헨젤은 사냥꾼 마이스터 영주에게 붙잡힌 뒤 극적으로 목숨을 건지고
That's not how dying works.
You don't seem bad to me. You seem like rather a nice chap.
I did something bad.
Well, since I caught you, beast or boy, you're mine. And do you want to be good?
Yes, please.
영주의 완벽주의적 규칙에 따라 길들여집니다.
He knew in his little heart that Gretel could never, ever forgive him for almost killing her.
I could really use me a hand. I got a spare room. Want to help me out?
I haven't had the best of luck with parents.
Oh, whoa. I ain't gonna be your parent. You gotta stop listening to your head brain. You gotta start listening to your chest brain, right? Well then, welcome to your new home.
This is sad. So sad.
We've got 20 jars of preserved fish, 10 baked fish pies, 14 bags of powdered fish.
그레텔은 체계적인 일 처리를 바탕으로 이디스의 생선 가게에서 완벽히 자리를 잡아가고
That is beautiful.
For you.
I'm happy.
I'm Gretel.
Hello, Gretel.
Nothing.
Yeah, it does look like you've seen some hard times. Good day, ladies.
And today, we continue our lessons.
I feel silly in this hat. I can't even see where I'm. Oh!
헨젤은 영주 마이스터의 자식처럼 대우받으며
I caution you, Hansel. The library is my private sanctum sanctorum, and it will teach you all there is to know about being a lord.
A lord must always arrive for dinner 15 minutes late. A lord must always remain on his horse.
엄격한 영주 수업과 활쏘기를 배우고
Hansel, you won't leave me, will you?
I promise.
절대 그를 떠나지 않겠다고 약속하죠.
Are you thinking about that young man?
What? No, I'm not thinking. I'm.
Hansel and Gretel started to experience the first step toward happiness.
헨젤은 감정을 누르고 이성적으로 생각하라는 영주의 지침을 따르며 안정감을 얻으려 하고 그레텔은 마음의 소리에 집중하라는 이디스의 조언 속에서 짝사랑하는 청년에 대한 설렘과 마음의 상처를 조금씩 마주합니다.
Ready? Aim! Fire! Well done, my boy.
I heard you can fix anything.
Twirl?
I'm a bird.
Gretel!
마법 노끈으로 아이들을 즐겁게 해주는 친절한 남자를 만난 그레텔은
You're not like the other kids, are you? You've endured a lot of pain.
그로부터 상처받은 마음에 대한 따뜻한 위로를 얻고
After this, I'm having a party.
Yes, that would be nice.
그 남자의 초대를 받아 숲속 집에 가기로 약속하죠.
I'll be there.
Great! See you then!
Were you aware that the ants in France wear scanty underpants?
Perfect! I'm so proud of you, Hansel.
Good day, Jehoshaphat.
Knock, knock. I made your favourite, Fishgetty.
No, it's just right there in the woods.
그레텔은 위험한 숲으로 향하지 말라는 과수댁 피셔의 만류에도 불구하고
Are you crazy? You can't go in there. I forbid it.
You're the one who told me to follow my heart and see what life brings.
And you're not doing it. You're not thinking straight.
I want real friends, not just fish and old women.
진짜 친구를 사귀고 싶다며 고집스럽게 밤길을 나섭니다.
I mean, why would she do something that dangerous?
And what would you do for that special friend?
These woods aren't that scary. A little rain never hurt anyone.
Go home, little girl, go home. I am the rain. Everyone knows I don't talk unless it's really important.
숲속을 지나가던 중 내리는 비가 마법사와 괴물이 기다리는 위험한 곳이라며 돌아가라고 경고하지만 그레텔은 이를 외면한 채 목적지로 발걸음을 옮기죠.
Leaving at night? Isn't that against the rules? Psst, Jehoshaphat.
애장마 저호스펫을 탈 자격을 얻은 헨젤은 영주가 야밤에 성을 나가는 모습을 목격하자 몰래 말을 타고 혼자만의 시간을 가지죠.
I'll bet it all. I can do this. I can do this. Luck is on my side.
Well, what a surprise. I win again.
도박장에 도착한 영주는 수상한 남자와 내기를 벌이다 전 재산을 잃고
What could you possibly bet? Something small. Maybe whatever is in front of the fireplace in your library.
남자의 꼬임에 넘어가 서재 벽난로 앞에 있는 의자를 판돈으로 걸었다가 패배하죠.
Well, I'm afraid you're going to be disappointed.
Shadows fall upon the earth.
서로의 위험을 알지 못한 채 헨젤은 도박 빚으로 인해 악마에게 팔려갈 위기에 처하고 그레텔은 위험천만한 숲의 집으로 발걸음을 옮깁니다.
Yes, she still thought her brother was dead, but she had made it to safety.
This is fine. Nothing to think about here. Totally normal place to have a party. It's
That place looks like it's haunted and smelly.
I don't want to know what it's half full of.
Quiet! Things weren't looking any better for Hansel.
Perhaps a stool or an old rug or... Hansel!
Hello. I'm sorry. I know the library is off limits, but
What a coincidence that this boy would be right in front of the fireplace.
도박 내기에서 헨젤을 잃은 영주는
Irregardlessly, I am glad that this boy is mine. Boy, you report to hell in 3 days' time to begin your eternity of suffering.
3일 뒤 악마가 헨젤을 지옥으로 끌고 가 영원한 고통을 주겠다고 선언하자
Oh, my dear boy, your beloved Lord Meister lost you. Oh, these are the moments that make life worthwhile.
You weren't supposed to be here. It's a rule.
도리어 적반하장으로 헨젤을 탓하며 방에 가두죠.
It's fine. It's fine. That doesn't look like much of a party.
Oh, what are you screaming for? You're the one who didn't knock. You're one of my son's friends.
Is this the wrong day?
Oh, no. How about some refreshments?
한편 남자의 숲속 집에 도착한 그레텔은 쇠사슬에 묶인 노모를 도와주려다
Who did this to you?
What?
Do you know where the key is? Or do you have a chicken bone?
I'm sorry. You like my son, don't you?
남자가 젊음을 유지하고 영혼을 훔쳐 마법을 부리는 100살 먹은 악마라는 사실을 듣게 됩니다.
Young, and it also erases everyone's memories of his victims. I taught him this magic. And now I'm his prisoner.
I deserve to be hurt. I was stupid. I should just give up. I let my brother be killed.
Hansel is not dead.
절망한 그레텔이 자책하며 삶을 포기하려 하자 노모 마녀는 미래를 보는 그릇을 통해 동생 헨젤이 여전히 살아있음을 확인시켜주죠.
No one has ever cared about me, except Gretel, and she'll never want to see me again. How could things get any worse?
He needs me. I have to go to him.
Here we are. Come on in.
헨젤이 악마에게 끌려갈 위기에 처했음을 알게 된 그레텔이 동생을 구하러 나서려는 순간
Oh, you'll join them soon enough.
Your soul is mine.
소녀들의 영혼을 새의 모습으로 바꿔 노끈의 마법을 흡수하는 악마 마법사가 나타나고
Who are you?
Don't be afraid. Hi, I'm Johannes, and I can help you go to hell.
내기에 저 지옥으로 끌려가게 된 헨젤은 여정 도중 자신을 지옥으로 인도하겠다는 요하네스를 만나 동행을 시작하죠.
Mother, are you hiding something?
No, son.
This. Ha!
Oh my!
You ruined my potion, Mother.
Get out. Go as fast as you can. They can't be opened while he's alive. Forget me. Just get to safety.
그레텔은 마녀 노모의 도움으로 탈출하며
No, you can't free us. Please, tell our families what has happened. Tell me your names. I'll remember.
세 장에 갇힌 영혼들의 이름을 가슴에 새기고
Annabelle, Deborah, Ava. Please, I'm a little boy on my way to meet the devil in hell.
여정 중 헨젤은 초콜릿 분수가 멈춘 마을
Devil knows why.
Oh, I'm gonna see him anyway. It's really no trouble. Please just give me a place to rest before I'm damned for all eternity.
황금 사과가 열리지 않는 마을
The devil knows why.
I'll ask him when I see him.
And on that day, he and Johannes came upon a ferryman. All aboard, who's going to hell?
Oh, man. I hate my job.
You seem sad. Don't you like your job?
I never get to leave this boat. I'm stuck here.
배에 갇힌 뱃사공의 억울한 사연을 듣고 악마를 만나면 해결책을 물어봐 주겠다고 약속합니다.
Sybil, Juliana, Sandra.
That tree in the wood of life was right. You are dumb.
Amanda, Charlotte, Audrey, Felicia, Susanna.
I must really be bad if I wound up here. I might as well be here. I can never see my sister again.
누나 그레텔과의 재회를 간절히 바라는 헨젤은
There's still hope. I know a secret way to escape from hell.
악마의 황금 머리카락 세오를 뽑으면 지옥을 탈출할 수 있다는 요하네스의 힌트를 얻고 홀로 지옥으로 들어가죠.
And you got nothing else, kid. I'm sorry, I can't go with you.
Welcome to hell. My name is Asmodeus.
Get a move on, kiddo.
If you look a little past that, you will see people being tortured.
지옥에 도착한 헨젤은 끝없이 고문받는 영혼들을 지나치며
On your left, you will see people being tortured.
Hi, Mrs. Baker.
No, I think instead of stopping, I have more torment.
자신을 구워 먹으려다 지옥에 떨어진 제빵사 아줌마와 재회합니다.
Excuse me. She did some terrible things, but she's sorry.
No takesy backsies. They gave me an idea.
So, am I gonna see the devil now?
지옥의 악귀들은 헨젤을 끔찍하게 고문하려 애쓰지만
And some more of that. Ha.
Ha!
I get it.
It's most painful and frightening.
Yes, you're very good at it.
Dream.
Yeah, this has gone all kinds of wrong.
온갖 비극과 시련을 겪어온 헨젤에게는 아무런 고통도 주지 못하고
Look at what you did to him. He's a mess.
I'm sorry. Should I try screaming again?
오히려 악귀들이 헨젤의 잔혹한 과거사에 충격을 받죠.
Sister and my adopted father gambled me away to the devil.
I'm gonna be sick.
And the worst thing of all is, I'll never see my sister again. I'm sorry I'm not being tortured right.
We're gonna have to take him to the devil himself.
결국 악귀들은 자신들의 힘으로 헨젤을 굴복시킬 수 없음을 인정하고 그를 살아있는 사람 뼈로 지어진 악마의 거처로 안내합니다.
safe. There's no way that warlock can know I was there. There's no way he...
한편 마법사는 자신의 집 유리창에 남겨진 손자국을 통해 그레텔이 다녀갔음을 눈치채고 헨젤과 그레텔 모두 다시 한번 깊은 위기에 빠지게 되죠.
Did the warlock know she had learned his secret?
Oh, this is bad. Really bad.
마법사의 비밀을 알아챈 그레텔은 마을 사람들에게 진실을 고백해
Poor kid. Talking to a brush.
Widow Fisher?
Oh, how many times do I got to tell you? Call me Widow Fisher.
I went to that young man's house. He's a warlock, and he's been kidnapping girls. So many of them.
그를 저지하려는 계획을 세웁니다.
Listen, haven't you noticed there are hardly any girls in the village? The warlock took the girls, and then he erased everyone's memory of them.
Okay, Gretel, that handsome young man has lived in this village.
Should I be?
But why don't you go have a nap? Huh?
Clearly, Gretel would receive no help from Widow Fisher.
Get the heck out of here. Don't look back. Find Hansel.
Ah, my beloved grandmother.
악마의 집에 갇힌 헨젤은 평소와 달리 지혜를 내어
I tell you, it has been a day. I had to deliver more of my golden hairs to that warlock who makes magic twine out of them. Go.
Relax, dear. You just need a good rest. Oh, dear little soul.
악마 할머니로 변장하는 위험천만한 기질을 발휘하죠.
I think this is going to take a while.
Gretel was ready to leave the village and take her chances alone in the woods.
What would Hansel do? Hansel would stop him.
Oh, hello, Gretel.
I have to cook the laundry.
In that moment, Gretel decided to do what her heart told her to do. Meanwhile, Hansel had devised a plan of his own.
각자의 자리에서 위기를 마주한 남매는 서로의 존재를 떠올리며 더욱 성숙하고 대담한 행동에 나섭니다.
A human! Oh, it's so cozy.
Wow, look at all this stuff. Okay, I just have to make myself look like that old devil lady. Perfect.
The smell of this stuff really fills the whole house. Grandmother. Yes. Where on earth have my glasses gone?
Let Granny massage your worries away.
What delicate fingers you have.
마법사와 악마라는 거대한 위협 속에서 남매는 고통받는 이들을 구하고 생존하기 위한 사투를 시작하죠.
Tar and Pitch, why did you do that?
Oh, I'm sorry. I fell asleep and I had a terrible dream.
악마 할머니로 모습을 바꾼 헨젤은
Sulfur and brimstone.
황금 머리카락을 뽑고도 악몽 탓이라며 태연히 변명한 뒤에
I remember a place like that. I put a mouse under the tree to gnaw at its roots.
행복한 마을들에 관한 이야기를 슬쩍 꺼냅니다.
I cursed a guy like that. All he has to do is get someone to take his bow from him, and then he can leave, and the other person will remain there in his place forever.
Some demons brought in a boy named Hansel. So
It's rare that I get to torment someone truly good.
Ow! Oh, where are my glasses?
Please listen to me. Don't you remember Marianne or Lilith?
I don't believe it.
Yeah, he's the hero that saved our village from trolls.
Oh, she just doesn't understand him. He's a great guy.
The schoolhouse. They must have some kind of records.
마법사의 실체를 밝히려던 그레텔은 학교 기록까지 찾아내지만 이미 왜곡된 마을 사람들의 기억을 되돌리지 못하죠.
But how do I know you're my real grandmother?
You don't hate kittens.
Grandmother, it is you. Oh,
It was Hansel. He tricked me. I hate my life.
헨젤은 황금 머리카락의 힘으로 악마의 마법을 이겨내고 스스로 고통받는 지옥의 참모습을 목격합니다.
Hansel! You're mine!
What are you going to do to me?
My dear Gretel, I would never hurt you.
a witch.
She's a thief.
그레텔의 고발의 위기감을 느낀 마법사가 거짓 선동을 펼치자
They're gonna tear her apart. We gotta do something.
마을 사람들은 도리어 그레텔을 위협하기 시작하죠.
Edna, Sarah, Jane, Amanda, Mara, Amiria, Clarice, Constance.
그레텔은 사라졌던 모든 아이들의 이름을 외쳐 세뇌를 풀고
Yes.
마을 사람들은 마법사를 기름에 넣어 처단한 뒤 아이들을 되찾습니다.
Susanna!
Hannah!
I'm sorry about... Will you come home now?
My brother is still alive, and he's my home.
Well, I hope you find what you're looking for.
Little did Gretel know that Hansel was not far away. Just
Dad was chasing me with a flaming pitchfork! Go!
That guy, so bossy.
Okay, here's our plan. Get out of here.
Wait, I want to see this.
Go!
Here they come. Wait for it.
So tired.
Oh, give me that.
지옥에서 탈출하던 헨젤은 뱃사공에게 노를 타인에게 넘기면 저주에 풀린다는 사실을 알리고 악마를 배에 가두는 기지를 발휘하지만 도망치던 요하네스가 노에 맞아 비극적인 최후를 맞이하죠.
Hansel!
Go.
You're alive! You really are alive!
Listen, there's a doctor back in the village. We can...
There's no time. You see, your parents chopped off your heads. Once upon a time.
sorry. His story now.
Could you start further back than right now?
The old king, your father's father, your grandfather, your parents need you.
What?
Oh, we gotta sit through a whole story before dinner?
Not your father, your grandfather. Lay dying.
Ah, my old friend.
My king.
Please, take good care of them for me. But you must never show my son the blue room.
선왕은 요하네스에게 성의 모든 유산을 넘기되 저주받은 황금 공주의 초상화가 든 파란 방만은 절대 보여주지 말라고 당부합니다.
Good. Now who wants cake?
Once upon a time, a son returned home. I have something that might help distract you from your sadness, my king. Nothing to see here. Ta-da! So that's it. The entire kingdom of Grimm. It's all yours now.
But, oh, by the way, what's in the blue room?
But you didn't show him, right?
Your father made me promise never to show you this room because he feared you would fall in love and die.
그러나 아버지의 유산을 둘러보던 세왕은 요하네스의 만류를 무시하고 금기시되던 파란 방에 들어가 초상화를 확인하죠.
She's the most beautiful woman in the whole world.
Oh, it's Mom! And what does it have to do with them chopping our heads off?
Once upon a time, a lonely king fell madly in love. Your Majesty?
Shh. Hey, boss!
한눈에 초상화 속 공주에게 마음을 빼앗긴 세왕은 공주에게 걸린 무시무시한 저주에도 불구하고
Why would anyone place such a curse on someone so lovely?
The only thing that comforts her in her loneliness is gold.
Well, if it doesn't, I will die knowing I followed my heart.
We will need a plan.
Yippee!
그녀를 찾아 나서기로 결심합니다.
The Golden Princess only leaves her tower for the finest golden wares.
Stuff. Oh, how pedestrian.
What are you talking about? Where sounds way snobby.
So, how long will this journey to her land take?
Not long.
세왕은 성의 황금을 모아 찾아간 탑에서 황금 공주를 만나
From whence do you hail?
I'm the King of Grimm, and on his deathbed, my father told his most faithful servant not to let me see your portrait, but I did see it, and I love you, and will you marry me?
Your father was a wise man, for I am cursed. All whom I love are fated to die horrible deaths.
I only fear a life without you by my side.
Oh, that was good.
Yeah, he's got game.
첫눈의 사랑에 빠지고 함께 가정을 이루기로 약속합니다.
I'm sorry, we're doing what now?
Are we in a story inside the story now? Or story inside the story inside the story?
But we must ensure that you get the full and complete tale.
And I hate this part.
Behold, two noble deckhands, and these two are we.
Do we really have to go through this again?
Yeah.
I smell sulfur.
Well, it wasn't me.
It was me. It's always me.
So anyway, the king is running an awful risk with this bird brain plan.
But what is this risk you speak of?
The king wants to marry the golden princess.
한편 선원들은 우연히 술집에서 악마와 술자리를 함께하게 되고
I'll just need you to sign here.
What is this? Speak not these words to any soul, yada, cursed to be ravens forevermore.
Come on, Jacob, no one reads the fine print.
Very good. Now, the details of this curse, specifically the part that will affect your king.
악마는 공주에게 얽힌 기묘한 저주 이야기를 들려주죠.
But he who thwarts this curse, his fate shall be much worse if reasons he make known. At once he'll turn to stone.
Thank you so much for making me relive that.
All that I have are my wares, but I would give it all to have a family again. A husband
and children! She said yes!
이들이 나누는 이야기를 우연히 들은 요하네스는
And who would believe such a tall tale anyway? But the devil gave us the details of a curse about to befall you and your bride. Death shall come astride a noble beast to ride.
And that is how I learned the details of the curse and how it could be broken.
Why, this is the most beautiful beast I've ever seen.
왕과 왕비를 저주로부터 지켜내기 위해 자신이 위험을 무릅쓰기로 결심합니다.
You are my most faithful friend, and I trust you. Ta-da!
And next a garment seen shall captivate the queen. Then burn this dress with fire, or else the queen expires.
And I trust you. But seriously, what is wrong with you?
요하네스는 왕과 왕비를 향한 목숨을 건 충성심으로 저주에 맞서지만
I've never been so happy, my queen. My queen! Someone, do something!
왕비의 피 세 방울을 마셔야지 저주에 풀린다는 사정을 모르는 왕에 의해
Seize him! You will burn at the stake at dawn.
처형 직전에 몰립니다.
May I speak, my king? I did what I did to save you both from the queen's curse.
진실을 밝히면 돌이 된다는 저주의 제약 속에서도 요하네스는 두 사람을 구하기 위해 사실을 털어놓고
Friend! No!
결국 돌상으로 변해버리죠.
Johannes must have overheard us talking.
Because if it did, we'd have turned into...
악마와의 약속을 깨고 비밀을 발설한 선원들은 저주를 받아 까마귀로 변하고
There are really a lot of curses around here. Hope returned when you were born. And a lot of love.
이를 본 아이들은 저주의 참혹함에 깊은 충격을 받습니다.
And that didn't explain why they chopped our heads off. And you said the kingdom was in danger.
You need to understand this whole messy story at once. For in your absence, a darkness has fallen over the kingdom.
Jojo, no!
We must bring faithful Johannes back. Whatever it takes.
Once upon a time, the most faithful servant in all the land died.
We're finally gonna be done with this story.
Not me, bro. Raven for life! Woo!
I hope you never need these, Jojo.
It means we'll never find out why our parents chopped off our heads.
악마의 비밀을 밝혀낸 헨젤과 마법사를 물리친 그레텔은
was like, the devil put a mouse under your gold apple tree. And the tree was like, here's a bunch of gold apples.
저주에 걸린 마을 문지기들에게 저주를 푸는 방법을 알려준 대가로 값진 선물을 받고
Warlock rescued a bunch of girls who were stuck in birds.
Sort of. Gretel, I think we should go home. No.
Chopping off someone's head is very disrespectful. Do you think Chef still does Wiener Wednesdays?
Getting sleepy.
Whoa.
Huh?
Yeah. Hansel, we still haven't decided that's where we're going.
고향으로 돌아가기로 결심하지만
I bet if we go home, they'll be proud of us.
기대와 달리 싸늘하게 변한 마을 분위기 속에서
Where is everybody?
It's weird. It's like they're all hiding.
부모를 찾아 성으로 향하죠.
It's coming from the blue room.
You're alive! Alive!
My children! Our children have returned!
We have to ask you about why you chopped.
성으로 돌아온 남매는 그리웠던 부모님과 재회하며 열렬한 환영을 받지만
Some kind of pole straight through his chest.
Johannes is dead?
After all that, I can't believe he's dead.
We have to ask you, why did you chop off our heads?
이내 자신들의 목을 자른 이유를 캐묻기 시작합니다.
Once upon a time, Johannes turned to stone because your mother thought it would be best to keep it out of sight. My guilt grew to unspeakable heights. Johannes!
Johannes?
He's alive.
Your tears have allowed me to speak, and the soul has magic. But in reality, I am in hell. From this fate, if you truly wish, you must chop off your children's heads and smear their blood on the stone that is my statue.
The end! Okay, who wants cake?
왕과 왕비는 돌로 변한 요하네스의 영혼을 구하기 위해 그의 지시대로 아이들의 목을 잘라 피를 발라야만 했다고 털어놓죠.
Forget about the past. You children couldn't possibly understand.
Stop acting like we're little children.
What were we supposed to say, dear?
No, because it's crazy.
충격적인 진실에 남매는 것에게 반발하고 부모님에게 큰 배신감을 느낀 그레텔은
It's been very hard on us.
You chopped off our heads, and this has been hard on you?
Come on, Gretel. We're going to bed. I thought when we found out why they chopped off our heads, it would fix everything.
You been staring out that window?
Yup.
Hansel, it's time to leave. Again.
다시 성을 떠나기로 결심합니다.
The end.
Come on, cue the music in the curse. Come on, baby, human again. We're totally still ready.
We told it all the way up to the present. It's now.
해설을 마치고도 해제되지 않는 저주의 원인을 찾던 까마귀들은
I don't know. Quit pulling on my feathers.
Any idiot could see it's not over until the family is back together.
가족의 진정한 화해와 왕국의 위기가 남아있음을 깨닫죠.
We've got to do something.
You're crazy!
Who is it?
남매가 떠나려던 순간 왕국의 거대한 용이 나타나 마을을 습격하자
As the dragon overhead rains destruction upon the.
두 사람은 마을을 구하기 위해 다시 움직이기 시작합니다.
Please, you'll be safer there. Are you all right?
Shall we raise the drawbridge now?
Not yet. Hansel isn't back.
용의 습격으로부터 백성들을 성 안으로 안전하게 피신시킨 헨젤과 그레텔은
Catch!
We're in this together.
위기 속에서 서로를 구하며 극적으로 합류하죠.
heavens, you're all right. For months, the kingdom has been plagued by this creature. Says it's an evil spirit that has been possessed by someone.
The dragon comes without warning and vanishes without a trace.
Who wants cake?
Really?
위기 상황에서도 숨어 있기만 하며 책임을 회피하는 무능한 부모의 모습에 실망한 남매는
Show of hands. Who here chopped off their own finger to save 7 boys? Who here went to hell, tricked the devil, and escaped? I think we all can see who isn't acting like adults. Then we're in charge.
직접 통치권을 넘겨받습니다.
Okay, the first thing we're gonna do is kill that dragon. Now why don't you two just go back to what you were doing?
They.
I think his brain's broken.
지옥과 마법사를 넘나들며 쌓아온 경험과 지혜로 무장한 남매는 부모 대신 직접 용을 퇴치하기 위해 전장으로 나서죠.
Daddy! What are you doing?
Check it out!
Once upon a time. Hey, this is all happening now.
Dottie, we must not interfere in any way or we will be ravens forever.
Oh.
Yeah! Ravens forever! We had to suffer so the kingdom could be saved. To fight a dragon, you need an army.
헨젤과 그레텔은 왕국을 위협하는 용을 퇴치하기 위해
From up here, we'll see them coming. Any minute now. Where are they?
They'll be here.
Raising an army is more than anyone could expect you to do. After all, you're only children.
여정에서 만난 구출된 아이들, 사냥꾼, 마을 주민 등 연대한 동료들을 불러 모읍니다.
What happened?
Catherine, Susanna, Ingrid, Constance.
Boil anyone in oil with snakes recently?
You need a real army.
This is a real army.
These people have heart.
예상보다 수많은 지원군과 친구들이 속속 모여들자
And now it is time for you, all of you, to find your strength.
방관하던 부모 역시 남매의 리더십과 그린 백성들의 진심을 인정하게 되죠.
Fine work, Sillingworth. Nicely done indeed.
Jehoshaphat, you're looking well. I see you're with Shillingworth now.
Whoa!
남매는 용이 황금을 탐낸다는 약점을 이용해 황금 사과로 유인한 뒤 초콜릿 케이크를 먹여 잠재운다는 기발한 작전을 구상합니다.
Did you think we were going to send them out to fight a battle we wouldn't fight ourselves?
Yes, that's one of the perks of being a royal.
Adventure for the Kingdom of Grimm!
So here we are, and they're really doing it.
Am I the only one rooting for the dragon? What? He has a nice smile.
안전한 성에 나무라는 어른들의 권유를 거절한 남매는 스스로 백성들의 맨 앞에 서서 용을 제압하기 위한 최종 결전지로 향하죠.
This whole dark, grim, crazy mess meant something once.
We'll get that dragon for sure.
How can we lose?
Can we stick to the story? A brother and a sister are about to fight a dragon.
Are you wearing lipstick?
No! A little.
미끼인 황금과 초콜릿 케이크를 향해 거대한 용이 나타나자 백성들과 동료들이 일제히 맞서 싸우며 아수라장이 펼쳐집니다.
Turns out he's a jerk. I'm so glad I found out before we started dating.
And so the dragon wreaked havoc upon the earth.
For the Kingdom of Grimm!
So proud.
Why don't you pick on someone your own smell?
Mayhem! Wanton destruction!
It worked! It's making him tired.
용이 초콜릿 케이크를 먹고 졸기 시작하지만 거센 공격 속에 다른 군사들이 무력화되면서
Can we do this? Only we can do this.
결국 헨젤과 그레텔 둘만 현장에 남게 되죠. 헨젤이 다시 야수로 변신의 용의 주의를 끌며 격렬히 저항하지만 압도적인 힘 차이로 인해 남매는 점점 더 큰 위험에 몰립니다.
I have your toe!
My lord, no! I must do what's right. It's a
위기에 처한 헨젤을 구하기 위해 영주님까지 용감하게 뛰어들었으나 용의 강력한 공격을 당해 목숨을 잃게 되죠.
You stay away from that nice girl. Now you can't get away from me.
Thank you. All I gotta do is lead it to the moon.
To heck with it!
용과의 막바지 사투 끝에 까마귀 들과
Come on!
I got you, I got you, I got you!
Come on!
Gretel!
Oh, God!
Go limp!
Oops.
달의 도움으로 용을 쫓아내는데 성공하지만 참혹하게 황폐해진 싸움표가 남겨집니다.
Dappled stars, they prick the sky. Blanket on which the moon will lie.
It's gone. It flew away after the moon bit its face.
Jacob.
Who are you guys?
It's a long story. Longer than we expected, in fact.
왕국을 구하려던 계획과 달리 막대한 피해와 희생이 발생하자 헨젤과 그레텔은 자신들이 상황을 망쳤다는 깊은 절망감에 빠지죠.
Why did we think we could lead an army?
It'll get better, right? Won't it get better?
I don't know. I don't know what to say.
Jehoshaphat? We failed.
Ran it up the old flagpole, gave it the old chimmery-chammery. How many are dead? How many?
Children are so short.
Look at her. What do you see? That. Tell them what that is. Dragon's blood.
용의 피를 묻히고 생활한 남매를 보며 주민들은 유일하게 용에게 상처를 입힌 남매의 가능성을 인정하고
Thank you. Shouldn't we go home and check on Mom and Dad? I need to know if they're okay.
다시 희망을 품습니다.
What are they going to do? I don't know what they're going to do.
Are you guys permanently ravens now?
I don't know. I just want Hansel and Gretel to be okay.
My children! Oh, are you hurt? I had almost gotten to the top of the tree, but then the dragon attacked, and I cut off one of its big nasty toes. Cha!
성으로 돌아온 남매는 부모의 진심 어린 걱정과 재회를 마주하며
You've given the people hope.
잠시 따뜻한 가족의 온정을 느끼죠.
This is so sweet!
There are no tears.
What are tears?
I'm so glad you're home, as is your father.
My children!
Give them time.
What happened to your foot?
It's funny. I can't quite recall. I was really looking forward to cake.
Dad is the dragon! Because the dragon is an evil spirit that possesses someone consumed by despair, and our dad was consumed by despair when we ran away.
왕의 상처 자국, 케이크 취향, 절망에 빠졌던 과거 등의 정황을 종합한 남매는 왕이 바로 용의 본체임을 깨닫습니다.
We tried running away last time, and it didn't work out. So maybe this time, we face the problem. And if he is the dragon, then I don't know.
진실을 파악한 남매는 더 이상 도망치지 않고 왕국과 아버지를 구하기 위해 문제와 정면으로 맞서기로 결심하죠.
Father, whatever were you doing last night?
And did you fly around and kill everyone?
I don't know. I just fell asleep. I closed my eyes and I don't remember anything.
남매는 왕인 아버지가 용이었음을 추궁하고
You think your father is the dragon?
What? That's madness! I'm sure I don't know what you're talking about.
And I'm sure that you do.
Let go!
헨젤의 칼에 베인 왕은 결국 용의 모습을 드러내지만 끝내 그레텔의 일격에 쓰러져 생을 마감합니다.
Now what? The twine! I've got the warlock's magic twine! Bring me...
Please, please, please work. There.
Why isn't it working? You mean he's really gone?
When the darkness opens wide the sky, blanket on which the moon will lie.
Who wants cake?
The tears. The tears made it work.
It is like Johannes said.
사투 끝에 아버지를 저지하고 진심 어린 눈물을 흘리자
Forgive us.
속에 담긴 영혼의 마법으로 아버지가 살아나며 진정한 가족의 화해를 이루죠.
This eyeball juice is amazing.
I'm sorry I cut off your heads.
No, I'm sorry I cut off your head and your toe. We're just happy to be home and have most of our parts.
We'll be not okay as a family.
서로의 과오를 용서하고 마침내 하나가 된 헨젤과 그레텔 가족은
Look! The dragon!
The dragon is dead.
왕국의 백성들 앞에 서서 용의 퇴치와 진정한 평화를 선언합니다.
He's a good boy.
One day, you'll officially rule the kingdom. But for now, we will rule Grimm as a family.
And so they all lived happily and sadly and lovingly and complicatedly ever after. The end.
이야기꾼이 된 까마귀들과 등장인물들이 각자의 뒷이야기를 전하며 길었던 동화는 행복과 슬픔이 공존하는 진정한 마무리를 맞이합니다.
The end.
어두운 그림 왕국의 무서운 그림 동화 이야기는 넷플릭스에서 공개된 판타지 애니메이션 시리즈로 헨젤과 그레텔이 동화 속 여러 이야기를 넘나들며 자신들의 운명과 진실을 찾아가는 이야기를 그린 작품인데요. 익숙한 그림 형제 동화를 어둡고 색다르게 재해석하며 모험과 유머 그리고 성장 서사를 함께 담아낸 점이 특징입니다. 하지만 원작의 잔혹한 분위기를 완화하면서도 에피소드 전개가 다소 빠르게 느껴진다는 아쉬운 평가가 있었습니다. 다크 판타지와 동화를 새롭게 재해석한 애니메이션을 좋아하는 분들께 어두운 그림 왕국의 무서운 그림 동화 이야기 추천드리며 이상 애니지 팝소였습니다. 감사합니다.